Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. My name's Chris Plant, and today's topic is the highly interesting and popular prompt engineering. And the following query to solve today is this. It's clear that an important task for some of our customers is to create accurate summaries from things like customer presentations or discussions or meetings. Students might also need this for a solution for notes on lectures perhaps. And of course, there's probably many other uses too. But basically today, the plan is to make a structural text output from free text. So what I'm going to do right now is show you the following. By using OpenAI and the ChatGPT playground, we're going to, first of all, take free text from a presentation and create structured text. I'll show you also how to add and refine that text, and then I'll show you how to make a JSON file from it. So let's get started. Right, so welcome to my openai.com playground. As you can see here on the left-hand side, we've got a system and we've got a user messages here. So what we want to do first of all is we want to convert my presentation notes into a structured format. So yesterday I had a discussion, we had a marketing meeting here in the office, and I took some notes from it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use those notes and show you how to work with them. So I've just pasted those notes in here. I made some notes, I put the name and the date in here, and I named it marketing presentation. I'm just going to take that off. So comprehensive marketing solutions to take your brand to the next level. So this agency gave us a really good presentation yesterday. So now what I'm going to do is I want the structured format. So let's see what ChatGPT 3.5 gives us. Let's put up the maximum length here, check everything is going okay on this side. That looks great. And I'm going to submit that. Right then, so let's have a look. So straight away it's giving us the introduction. It's putting that in nice little bullet points. And again, the audience targeting the same, marketing channels, I like that. Content creation, the importance of content is a successful marketing was discussed. Okay, web design, SEO services, analytics. Okay, this is part of the file should be a presentation summary. Okay, so we can take that out because we know we'll get that back in a second. And let's submit that. And here we have it. The presentation was about company XYZ's comprehensive data-driven approach to marketing. Looks really good. So this gives me a nice little presentation summary here. Okay, that's great as well. But obviously the rest of the text is missing. So what we want to do now is I'm going to write part of the file should be topics as well. And I'd like to add next steps as well. So part of the file should be topics discussed. Part of the file should be next steps. Okay, so let's submit that now. And you can see we're refining each time what we want to have. And this is what I love about the playground. You can also try this on the free version of ChatGPT also. So here we go. What have we got now then? Presentation summary, topics discussed, next steps. Excellent. That's exactly what I'd like to have. And now I'm going to add the conclusion. So let's add a conclusion to the text. And you know what I'm going to do as well? I'm going to add a title to the presentation, and what I want to do is I want to put that at the top because obviously I want that to come first, and I think then that would be quite nice for me. Let's just turn that off again and submit again. Here we go. So we've got our title, Comprehensive Marketing Solutions to Take Your Brand to the Next Level. That looks great. Okay, perfect. Topics discussed. Got my bullets like that. Next steps as well. And here's my conclusion. Fabulous. Okay, I like that a lot. So you can see how easy that is to get something very, very nice, and you can copy and paste that and send that where you want to do. But what I'd also said that we would do today is we would show you how to make a JSON file. So that's going to be pretty simple because all we need to do is just say now. So output the text as JSON file. So let's just do that here. And you can see straight away we've got it there coming forward nicely. And I can see that, for instance, let's have a look at that presentation summary. You see here, presentation summary, topics discussed, next steps. Okay, so let's have some formatting as well. Let's delete that now and we'll say where field names. So now output as JSON where field names have pair coding standards. Okay, so let's see what that does now, because hopefully we'll get exactly what we've asked for. That's great because look, you can see here topics discussed. We've got next steps underscore is in here, topics underscore discuss, topics underscore next steps. So that's really good. So I've got some good coding there. That's worked nicely for me. Okay, so then you can export that JSON file. No problem at all. So what we'll do also now is we mentioned that we would also make an HTML file. So why don't we do that now? So let's submit now output as HTML. That's great as well. So let's see what we come up with. Yeah, lovely. Very, very good. Now, quite simple. You can see all the headers, body text is in there, topics discussed. So this will work really nicely. And what I'd like to do here is I'd like to export that. And remember, this can be used for anything in the future. You can make an API from this. You can use it on hundreds of thousands of documents. Then you need to refine exactly what you want and then simply save it. And then you can start using it in the future, which will be perfect. So let's take this now. We're going to copy this text here. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up a RTF text document. I'm just going to simply paste it straight in there, okay? And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply save that now. So I'm going to, first of all, here we go, I'm going to make that plain text. So there we go. And straight away now I can save that file. And of course, I want to save it as, let's call it marketing, because that makes a lot of sense. And we'll give it an HTML header, and we can save that here, use HTML, and let's save it in the file. Open our marketing, and you can see straight away comprehensive marketing solutions to take your brand to the next level. Great, so I hope that really helped today and it's given you lots of good ideas. And remember, if you have a problem, why not ask me? I'd be happy to help you design a solution tailored just for your needs. And really, thanks again for watching the video. Please like and subscribe today and join me again on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. I'll see you next time on Prompt Engineering, and all the best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.